As always, first off, thank you for checking out my channel. What's good? What it do? What's good with you? I'm Kiana Janae, and today I'm gonna go over how I started my DIY MICROLOCS. So, 4 down. I'm tired. Just going with the flow. Just going with the flow, you know. That's why it's important to have multiple mirrors. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I did 8 sections. So section 1 of 8 sections is down, I think. So it's 903. I'm not completely sure. It's like 9 something. I think it just turned 9. Yeah, it's 9:04. And I think I started at like 6:20 or something like that, and I took a few breaks to eat food. So I'm not completely sure how long it took to just do this one section, and with it being 8 sections and 1 down, that I have 7 sections left. This is the smallest section, I think, right here and here. So this will probably take around the same time. Y'all, when I did the first 4, I was already tired. Then I did these and my heels hurt. Let me tell you, I need to get a chair going. Oh, but I'm gonna turn it in for tonight and go to sleep. And then in the morning time, I don't even know what time I'm waking up. We'll see. We will see. But it's cute. It's cute, you know? Hey guys. How are you? Can you imagine? Hi. I counted this to be 47 for the first section.
So, I definitely didn't make my bed, and my room is a mess, because everything is a mess. Everything. Let me tell you, I went to Walmart, and I got 3 mirrors. 1, 2, that's taco, and 3, okay? So, I can see the back of my head. Let's see how this goes.
So that's just me procrastinating. I finished the first half of my head around July, actually on July 25th, procrastinated even more for the rest of that week, and then I finished the whole entire head that I have on, I think, August 1st or August 2nd. And I need to do a video on how I do the back of my head, and I will post that soon since I didn't include it in this one, but I will in the next one. I'm done. Well, a round of applause. Check out my next video to see if I did a retwist or a rotation. Thank you so much for watching. And of course, if you have any questions or comments, you already know what to do. You already know what it is. Drop them down below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Being a black woman, hold on.